Abusama menase se ogu Adom TV emra so agudie mo nsem na nwumren so yabobo ankomo ne nyina no na mejebre akenkan ne kama ede amao within the cobblestone okomankra bako amaka ensuroja adura enwono number 1 sheshe ma yemoremo ewo Ghana Football Association onim said the Black Stars of Ghana and a coach Otuado eton sade from rantie eduno miensa 23 players a wo hwe nim se akansie me no de nim no wode wom ebegina omanyi anemo ne no and a coach no e kire sampa ohwe players awa from na enye se sebe liga hodwa omo ebonemum ya na ohwe players no omo performance na wode tonsa ede from yentie ensema ene wode tudwa e won central for nchiema e course na se.
At the moment, and for me it's not about Ghana Premier League or French Ligue 1 or England Premier League or Bundesliga. It's about the players, and we need the best players to reach our aim to qualify for the AFCON. And that's for me the most important thing. I don't care where the player comes from. If I'm convinced, and that's it. So at the moment, these are the 23 players which I think are the best to help us in transitioning my idea of football and what I want to see and how I think we can beat Angola and Niger on the pitch. And that's why they're in. It hasn't got anything to do with which league they're playing in. And surely some leagues are maybe higher rated. If I think about the British Premier League, it's very high rated in my eyes. And if you can compete in that league, you definitely have a squad, place in our squad. But like I said, at the moment or in general, it doesn't matter to me which league a player is playing in. But if I see the performance and the performance can fit in our system, then I'll call it.
80 way ene ensema ene awie coach Otuado of French Central for ensembia oditudwa abi ene yede ama na china de akanso ebeto so ama nemum mayensan enromo coach J Sapon papa obekaya na se ye kabobo kwa odo wo memu a coach dodo na emu ba kwa de beka ne ye pa ye bra ohunu abranche bi tisa samwajan na ohunu enepe wonimo na woyi epie ene so no coach ameka no wasemi ne coach no eden sem kakra etudwa wo kire se obeka ede a kire asoye no na hwemba bunu ne agudie ensem so Ministry of Youth and Sports say omomode ada se ho youth resource center ene eno ewo adakulu na yagya no ejajemu no omomode ada se omde omonsa beka se be ya eno so ebetime agya ne nanso.
The one who was given the contract to do, let me say, we'll hand over. No, there are some terms. And they should go through by the terms and then go and do it. Yes, I know. The next 2 years, the whole thing will collapse. Football, I say, and yeah, Obako for the radio. Until Sanka won't boom no more because I check so many years old and I pack it down still see. But no one can say, you will pack or my they will come, they will get this first organizations or non-governmental organizations, they will come and do it and plan their name here. So it's about the set up to do certain things for the community.
Tiano de no so ekoso amede eno so nkoma no mede abro mame sorry so na fei obidum bie edukumi emfa de akanso ento aso kobistoni madawasi.